case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1937, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of National Labor Relations Board v. Jones and Laughlin Steel Corp., which revolved around Congress's authority to regulate labor practices affecting interstate commerce. The case was initiated after Jones and Laughlin Steel Corporation was accused of violating the National Labor Relations Act by discriminating against union members and coercing employees. The National Labor Relations Board ordered the corporation to stop these practices, reinstate the affected employees, and reimburse lost wages. However, the corporation challenged the board's jurisdiction and the statute's constitutionality, arguing that its manufacturing department did not participate in commerce. The board disputed this claim, highlighting the company's significant integration with interstate commerce and its large workforce. The National Labor Relations Act sets requirements for collective bargaining and self-organization of employees, grants power of investigation to the National Labor Relations Board, allows for court enforcement of orders, and protects whistleblowers. The Supreme Court held that the corporation had violated the National Labor Relations Act and enforced the board's order. The corporation was required to cease its unfair labor practices, reinstate unlawfully discharged employees, and post non-discrimination notices for 30 days. The lower court's decision was overturned, and the case was returned for further proceedings, ultimately strengthening Congress's authority to regulate labor practices in industries that affect interstate commerce.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class